Hello everyone. Here is wishing everyone happy festivities and our Gujarati New Year. So this October edition of the Magic Mirror is indeed a very reflective one. It's called the routine advantage. So what is routine for us and how is that an advantage? Let's take a deeper dive to understand that. So during this Diwali break and the festivities, most of us here in Gujarat end up having like an extended 1 week of complete rejuvenation and family time. And what I understood and realized even more so during this break is the importance of routine, and that too in small things. So I realized that I didn't even impact my routine during that break. Of course, the food part did go a little off and haywire with the tempting sweets around me. So, but in general, there was not even a single day during this Diwali break that I've missed my workout. In fact, I went for extended ones because I knew I could come back home to relax. So, along with all the wonderful meeting people and bonding with family and me time and having a short trip also to this beautiful immersive place with 2000 temples called Hampi, I wish to emphasize the importance of routines. Routines are mundane, monotonous, and boring, but they are the ones that are pivotal in our success. And I realize that today more than ever before, because for me, there was no coming back after Diwali, because even during Diwali, it was the same as what it is without Diwali when it comes to waking up time, workouts, sleep time, you know. So, what is it about routines that makes such a huge impact? It is what James Clear says in his book Atomic Habits, that we do not rise to the level of our goals, but we fall back to the level of our systems. So, one thing that supports routines is systems. So, first, let's talk about those small routine things that can create a huge, big, pivotal impact on our long term vision of life. Say, for example, what I've really tried and which has worked for me. So, I used to have a lot of sleep issues and, you know, uh, frequent wake ups at night and different sleep times every day. But what I've done of late very diligently is decide on a time to sleep, and hence I have an unwind routine that starts from about 9 p.m. and by 9:30, 9:45 I'm in bed, and each night I've experienced a much better quality of sleep with very less frequent wake ups in between, and even the quality of sleep has been better because I make the room dark, off the phone or any other media for last 1 hour before sleep, and a hot shower. So such small rituals create a huge impact because just this one thing, which is a foundation, led me to be able to wake up much fresher after finishing 7.5 to 8 hours of sleep, which has never happened for me. And that triggered amazing workout energy. That triggered freshness at the next level, and all the evening dinners and dine outs and the late evening catch-ups got shifted as a system, like say we fall back to the level of our system. So all us friends and family, we decided to meet up earlier, so we started meeting in at 4:35, started finishing our meetings and dinners and socializing by 9:30, 10. We still got a good 5 hours, but it's just a shift in the timings. So, here is what I wish to emphasize by small things, huge impact. And here's to also what Dr. Shri Kumar Rao in his book says, Are you ready to succeed? And I'm also doing this beautiful course called Creativity in Personal Mastery, where he says we don't live in the real world, we live in our heads. And that's a beautiful thing because I can choose where I want to live in my head today. And that is what helps me to show up each day, the importance of showing up. It's not been easy. My father-in-law has been in the ICU and hospitalized on and off, and even right now he's in the hospital. But any such incident definitely emotionally shakes us up. But because the routines and the importance of small habits, as even Tiny Habits and Atomic Habits says, when you stick to them, despite such turbulent times, I've been able to manage it all without feeling stressed, because the small shifts every day and especially at such trying times when we tend to leave everything aside and just focus on one thing, I've still been able to fulfill my training at different locations, all the travel, and here to be at the hospital, here to manage the food and the cooking and the to and fro, all of it. And I still am here smiling and happy in my office. So it's all possible without getting overwhelmed if we just decide to show up. And that's what I always do. And please share what you do to show up every day.